Hi, I'm Lily and I welcome you to Rolling Trademarks, your trademarks portfolio in one app. If you work with trademarks, this is a perfect solution because with this cloud solution, you no longer need multiple platforms. Rolling Trademarks allows a complete management of all the trademarks data, from registration applications, calendar with relevant dates, renewals, expenses, coexistence and assignment agreements, oppositions, proofs of use, documents, tasks, and much more. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can have a 360-degree view of your accounts and how easy it is to create a new account. When you come to the Accounts menu, you have a list view of all your accounts, or, if you prefer, you can choose to see your own accounts, the accounts that were created this week, or the recently viewed accounts. You can pin or unpin the list view you want to see the next time you come to this menu. Creating an account is so easy. You just have to come here to the Account menu and click in New Account. Here you just have to insert the information you find relevant. Let's put here the account name. If you want to give it a number, you can choose to relate this account with another one. Let's choose here what kind of account is this. Let's choose here customer and the industry that we want to relate with this account. Website, phone, email, let's put just email. Make sure it's an active account, and also you can insert the billing street, the shipping address, the city, the country, and let's just save this information. Now that we have created our account, you can now add more information. Namely, you can put some contacts, add some projects, trademarks, registrations, IP agents, oppositions, or files. I'm going to show you a more complete account because there you can see that you can have a 360-degree view of your account and the trademarks related to this account. Now, in this fashion company, as you can see, you have here more information, namely contacts, but also projects related with this account, trademarks, and registrations. And you can see here in the map all your trademarks by country. One of the most popular features is the activity history, because it brings you up to date with all the meetings, email sent, tasks, and events. All this information can be managed for multiple devices, and it's perfect to work at any place and any time. It is an excellent tool for managing all your trademarks portfolio in just one app. Want to see more? Ask for a demo and you'll see all the advantages on using this platform.